Ukulele Chords Made Easy. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fun and musical topic, ukulele chords. For those who love music or are curious about musical instruments, this is for you. Let's dive into the world of ukulele chords and learn something new today. Before we jump into chords, let's understand what a ukulele is. A ukulele is a small, guitar-like instrument known for its sweet and gentle sound. Originating from Hawaii, it has gained popularity worldwide. It typically has 4 strings, which is fewer than a guitar, and it's known for its ease of playing, making it a favorite for beginners and seasoned musicians alike. Now, what exactly are chords? In music, a chord is when you play multiple notes simultaneously, creating a harmony. On the ukulele, chords are formed by pressing down on certain strings at different frets, the metal bars across the ukulele's neck, while strumming. Each combination of pressed strings creates a different chord, which has its unique sound. Let's look at some common ukulele chords. 1. C major, one of the simplest chords, played by pressing the 3rd string at the 3rd fret. 2. G major, a bit more complex, involving pressing 3 strings in different places. 3. F major, another beginner-friendly chord, involving 2 strings. By learning these basic chords, you can play numerous songs. Practice is key in mastering ukulele chords. Start slowly, focusing on the placement of your fingers and the strumming pattern. As you become more comfortable, try changing between different chords to play a simple song. 1. Start with simple chords. Don't overwhelm yourself. Start with easy chords like C major. 2. Use a tuner. Ensure your ukulele is in tune for the best sound. 3. Be patient. Learning an instrument takes time and practice. That's it for our ukulele chords lesson. I hope you found this enjoyable and informative. Remember, practice makes perfect. So keep strumming and have fun with it. See you in our next video.